Before you begin, remove the display bezel, display panel, or touch display panel. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the wireless antenna and display panel cables for later replacement. Remove the display panel cable from the adhesive that secures it to the left display panel hinge. Remove the 4mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the left display panel hinge to the display enclosure. Remove the two 2.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left display panel hinge to the display enclosure. Lift the left display panel hinge off of the alignment pins and remove it from the display enclosure. The right display panel hinge is removed in the same manner. Reverse this procedure to install the display panel hinges.